Hello everyone, how are you? You are fine? Very good. Today we shall start the new lesson. Lesson number 5. The story of Sindbad the sailor. Sailor means what? Sailor. Sailor means the person who travels in the sea, on the ship or on the boat. We will just learn the introduction of this story. Okay, the story of Sindbad and his 7 fantastic voyages appears in the huge collection of stories, the Book of 1001 Nights or the Arabian Nights. Now, see, this is the introduction I am reading. Keep your finger on the line. Are you keeping your finger on the line? Yes. Okay. See the story of Sindbad. It is very fantastic, wonderful, and this is the collection of the story. What is the name of that book? Arabian Nights. What is the name of that book? Arabian Nights, or the book of 1001 Nights. What is the name of that book? The book of 1001 Nights or the Arabian Nights. From that book, this story is taken. The story tells us that Sindbad was a famous sailor who lived in Baghdad. In the story, what is told? Sindbad, he was a sailor. Sailor means I told you the person who travels in the sea, on the ship or on the boat. Okay, and in this story, there is famous person. His name sailor. His name is Sindbad. Where was he living? He was living in Baghdad. He was honest, generous, and brave. How was he? He was very, very honest, generous. Generous means kind, and brave. Brave means strong. Brave means strong. Okay, he was generous, means kind. He was honest, imandar, and also he was brave. He had many adventures on each of his voyages. Voyages. Voyages means what? Voyage means traveling in the sea. Voyages means traveling in the sea. Voyages. Yes, voyages means travel in the sea. And he made daring. Adventure means what? He made daring, making daring. What he was making daring in the sea while traveling. He never lost heart and hope in dangerous situation. He never lost his hope. Means he never got afraid. He was not afraid in the dangerous situation. He was very brave all time in dangerous or difficult situation. Means he faced bravely all the difficult situations. He overcame great dangers and returned home safely. What did he overcome? Means overcame. He overcame means he faced successfully. Overcame means what? He faced successfully all the dangers. Yes, and returned home safely from each of his voyages, from each of his traveling. Voyages means what I told you, traveling of the sea. And here is the story of this voyage. Okay, so we shall study this story. Let us study this story. Now we shall study the story of Sindbad the sailor, and in it we are going to see the story of his first voyage, the first voyage. Okay, let us see. Sindbad set sail with a company of merchants on a big ship. Sindbad, he was on the ship with a company, with him some people were there. And who were those people? Merchants. Merchant means what? Businessman, just like businessman. Merchant means what? Just like businessman. What do they do? Here these merchants, they sell their goods. Goods means mal. Huh? They sell their goods to other people or other countries. From time to time they stopped at various ports, and time to time where they were stopping, ports, ports. Ports means the place where ship stand for a while. Yes, why does the ship stand there? for rest. Who rest there? These merchants rest on that port. Now our we are having a railway station, bus stand. What happens on bus stand? What happens on the railway station? On a railway station, train stands there, right? On bus stand, buses also stand there like that. Port is the place where ships and boats can stand, and time to time they were stopping on those ports. They there they sold their merchandise and bought new things to trade. And to that port, what were they doing? They were selling their merchandise means goods, whatever may be their goods, clothes, huh? Or what you say, many other things are there, what do you say, grains, jewelry, like that, huh? They were doing the trading means what? Doing business. Trade, trade means doing business. Trade means what? Doing business. In this way they were trading. What were they doing? Trading. One day, when their ship was sailing smoothly across the sea, they spotted a small island at a distance. When they were sailing the ship, means when they were traveling in the ship, smoothly, peacefully, silently, they were traveling in the sea. And what did they spot? What did they see? Spot means they notice or they see. All of a sudden, they see a small island at a distance. At a distance, they saw a small island. Island means land, piece of land. Island means what? Piece of land. They had not seen land for many days and felt both surprised and happy to see the island. And as for many days they were in the sea. Yes, these merchants and Sindbad, they were in the sea for how many days? For many days. And from many days they did not see island. Sorry, they did not see land. They did not see land. And now they saw island. It was a surprise for them. It was a surprise for them. In the sea they saw. And they sailed close to the island. Then they, what happened? They traveled near that island. Sail means to travel. They sailed near that island. The captain of the ship allowed them to go there for a picnic. Then captain of that ship. Captain means leader of that ship. Captain means what? Leader of that ship. He gave permission to all merchants to celebrate on that island. Means they were doing picnic on that island. Everyone was excited. Now everyone was happy, excited. On the island, they strolled around, sang and danced. Some people began to wash clothes. Some lit fires to cook meals. On land, what were they doing? They were dancing. They were singing. Why? They were happy. And some people, what were they doing? They were washing their clothes. Yes, some lit fires to cook meals, and some people, what did they do? They made fire for meal. Meal means what? For making food. Meal, meal. Meal means food. Food. Yes, for making food, they made fire. Soon a breeze sprang up, and very soon wind. Breeze means what? Wind or air came there speedily. The fires began to blaze, and fire increased. uh, blaze. Suddenly, the land began to shake and move. With a shock, the picnic party realized that the island was not an island at all. They were on the back of huge sea monster. And suddenly they understood it was not an island. That was not island. It was sea monster. Monster means it was the back of sea monster. Monster means Satan. Monster means Satan. And it was the back of that sea monster. And it had started moving, and that monster was moving. People began to scream. People on that back of that monster, they were shouting. Scream means they were shouting. Yes, in fear they were shouting. They left their pots and pans, their clothes, both washed and unwashed, and rushed back to the ship. They left everything. They kept there only. What? Pot, pans. Yes, they brought there, na? Pot, pans for what? For making food. And clothes also they brought, na? They left there. Pants, everything. They left on that monster's back. And where did they run? They rushed or they ran towards the ship. The captain ordered his men to set sail immediately in order to move away from the monster. And the captain said, take, take the ship very fast away from the monster. Why? To save from the monster. Okay, up to here we studied remaining part. We shall study in the next period. Okay, till then, bye bye.